Before starting the video, I would like to tell you about the giveaway result. I have announced all the results on my YouTube community post and all my social media handles like Facebook, Instagram, Telegram. So I request all the winners that are mentioned in the giveaway contact me and claim your giveaway prize. Now let's start today's video. So in this video, I will show you how you can unlock your on-time screen password without data loss. You can unlock any on-time screen password if you forget your own on-screen time password and you don't have any access to recovery option. You can easily unlock it without data loss. And if you tried so many wrong attempts and enter wrong passcode, it will completely block you to enter the new one and again. So I will show you exactly how you can unlock it without data loss, and there are special big giveaway in this video hosted, so make sure you watch the video till the end to know more about this giveaway. So let me just go to my computer screen and start this process. Alright, for all this we will use the new latest version for PassFab iPhone Unlocker. It is now allow you to unlock the on-screen time passcode very easily without data loss. You can also try to unlock other types of screen lock password very easily. But for this video I will show you bypass screen time passcode only. It will allow you to unlock any iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch. All the models are supported without data loss, so links in the description. You can download the software from there. This software supports both Windows and macOS, so you can easily install it on any operating system. After that, just open it. Once you open it, you will see so many other options to unlock iOS screen passcode like MDM lock and other. So I will select the second option, that is the remove screen time passcode. Now you need to just connect your device and it will show your model number, and then just click on the start unlock. Now once it's done, you need to reactivate your device and follow the instruction on the screen. Now here is the important option. You have to select the last option, that is the do not transfer the data. Now after that, just simply set up your device and skip everything, and then you will redirect to your home screen, and then you are almost done. Now you can see my device is unlocked now and everything is safe. My all data is safe now, and you can see now you need to option to set up your on-screen time passcode from the starting, and you can easily set your new screen time passcode without getting your old passcode. So it's completely removed, and best part is all your data is saved, so you can easily set any screen time passcode, and if you don't want that, you can turn it off very easily. So by the same process you can follow on all the iPhones model, whether you have a latest 12 Pro Max or all the iPads are supported and the latest iOS 14.6 also. So you don't have to worry about your data. So all data will be saved like application, videos, images, and you can easily follow this process. So that's how you can use the PassFab iPhone Unlocker, the latest version, and easily unlock the on-screen time passcode very easily. So if you are interested in this tool, you can check out all the buying option of this tool. Now let's talk about the giveaway. I'm giving the 5 free license key of this tool. All you need to do is you need to confirm your entries display on the screen, and that's all. You are eligible in the giveaway. So till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.